Hello, my name is Ed and you're watching Ed Wired. And in today's video, we are going to be folding a plane called Ring Around. And this plane is called Ring Around it's because it boomerangs back to you when you throw it. Let's see this thing in flight. Let's get folding. For this plane, you'll need an 8.5 by 11 inch sheet of paper. First, we fold it in half. Let's unfold it. Now we're going to fold this corner to the center crease, but we want to do it in between this corner and this end corner and have it touch the center crease. It should look like this. It goes to this point and it goes to the center crease. Let's do this on the other side. Now that we have both sides like this, we need to fold this top down in between these 2 points. So I'm just going to fold it down like this. And see, we folded it down right in between these points, like this. So we're going to fold this down, then we're just going to fold it down again, just like this. And then again, a third time, a fourth time, a fifth time, and finally a sixth time. So you want to fold this down 6 times. Now, these edges will be bubbling up. That's okay. You can just flatten them out. And it's okay if there's like a little bit of space and it doesn't go all the way. That's perfectly fine. Now we turn the paper over. Fold the paper in half. And then we're going to make the wings. The wings will be parallel to the center crease. So we're going to make them about that long, but you can make them shorter. What I'm doing is about the max that you can do. And then we're going to flip it over and book match it. Okay, now that part's done, we can fold the winglets. We just fold this up in the parallel to the center crease, and we just fold it up on this corner and just do that. And we're going to do that on the other side. We're going to book match it just so it's extra precise. So, okay. There we go. Now we're going to make a fin in the middle. So we're going to turn the paper over and we're going to make a fold between about right here. Between this wing fold and about right here. I'll show you. Okay, I drew where we're going to make this fold. It's about 1 inch down. So we're just going to fold it like this between like 1 inch right here, 1 inch down the back of the plane and where that wing crease is. And then we're just going to fold it and then unfold it. And then we're going to get the plane. And we're going to inside reverse fold. Just like that. So we have a fin right here. And that'll act as some up elevator. But that's not enough up elevator. So we got to do a bunch right here. But you can experiment with that. This is generally how much I put, which is a lot, but it works. So the way you fly this is that you hold it and then you fly it to the left. You hold it with your right hand and then you just throw it to the left and then it should come and circle back. Or you can do it the other way. You hold it with your left hand, you throw it to the right, and then it comes and circle back. But you always want to hold it sideways. And when you hold it by one wing, make sure that the wings point down a little bit. Now, that's not generally what you do with a distance plane, but you want to do it with this plane, because that's how it will boomerang the best. And you can add more or less up elevators depending on how it's flying. And just so you know, it takes some practice to learn how to fly this. That's it. Hope you learned something. See you next time. Bye.